and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are once again going to be trading a little with artificial intelligence, but also next year I will start to trade a little manual again. So if you want to be automatically copy my trades here at Pocket Option using the social trading, make sure you sign up with the broker below. Use my link. That's the only thing I'm asking. By using this link you get 50% extra on your first time deposit, so take advantage of that. If you have accounts from before, make sure you close that account, because let's say you have $200, okay, you then withdraw your money, close your account. It's very fast, by the way. Then put it back into, use a new email, you close down the account of course, you put it into again with my link, and whoops, you have $300 account instead of 200. How nice is that? So it's a way for you without trading get some extra money to your account. So take advantage of that. Now about copying me in the future, that is something that you really can do. I will just push iTrading now. There. That is something you can take advantage of. I am really thinking about it. It's something that I really are feeling I would like to do. Um, I have through the time used much eye trading. I used a lot of robots. That's why I have never really gone for it, because how can you copy me when I'm doing so much crazy things? I have traded with different type of strategies that some have not worked that good, some work amazingly, and I need to decide what is best. So now I think I will go over to only model trading so you can get the best results. So let's now go over. By the way, we won the trade, so there you have it. While I was talking, we made $92 with iTrading again. This iTrading have been working amazingly, I need to admit. Now let's jump over and I will show you how much we have made this year. So let's get to that. Sorry, I did push something wrong. Let's now go over and take a look. By the way, I have not traded so much this year, but let's check by the way. Here you can see the trades that you've done lately. You can see win. This is with iTrading only. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 11 trades, all winners. So super good. Let's go over here. Let's see. Let's check 30 days. Let's see how that looks like. Before they had a nice stats here that showed you win rate and things. They removed that. But you see for this month, you see that this I think is all the iTrading, so that's quite good. If we then, let's see if you can custom range. Let's change that for 3 here and push there, apply. Now I'll show you, here says iTrading, so you can see iTrading. We lost 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can yourself calculate that win rate, but that is pretty amazing. So that's what I'm telling. You don't need to know how to trading if you're using AI, because see this win rate. It's pretty amazing. I mean, admit. So here you can go a little back. Problem here is that you can see, let me see, here's a copy. I did some copy trading, done quite a lot of different type of things. If you continue, let's see copy trading. So that is a much reason it's difficult to have been able to just turn these things on. So plus through the last year, I think I did a lot of different type of videos of testing strategies, going crazy, See here, I did crazy trades here, like see here. So here I was probably testing a crazy strategy, and you see the last trade even came up at $6,400. So that's why it's have been difficult to justify turning on this social trading with copy trading. So if enough people sign up with my link, then I will think about it, because what I will do then, I will do probably without martingale. I will use my best strategy and just trade, probably take like maybe 10 trades a day, and probably have like 7-8 wins. That is my win rate more or less. The fun thing, the IA, I don't know if it's just luck now, but the IA have actually given me this more or less the same win rate. So that is quite cool. But if it's something that I've been lucky, I don't know. But I have made a lot of videos now, and you see I did win over a trade, just won $92 also. So once again, tell me in the comments what you would like to do. Do you want me to start trading manually, so you can start to copy my trades, use the social trading, turn it on, and do that? Is that something you want? If so, comment below. Like this video. I make daily videos. I know I have not been so good pushing out trading videos lately for binary option. It's because we are in the bull run, so I like a lot making videos for cryptocurrency. Also, I do have another YouTube channel where I pump out more videos for cryptocurrency, because basically it's there we make the most money now in the bull run, of course. But once again, let me know, do you want to start to copy my trades? I will really suggest it. It can be a good adventure for you to just put in the money and just let it be, but also it's a much pressure on me to perform, because one thing is when I trade my own money, I don't like that much to trade other people. But if you make it worth my time, sign up below, make a deposit, and I see a lot of people do that, because lately there have been less people, because obviously YouTube is not pushing out this video good enough for me. So once again, take advantage, and let's see what we do in 2025. So with that, have an amazing day. And when I talk about copy trading, the reason I think about making copy trading available is that I also will do that on cryptocurrency trades. Yes, I will turn it on there. That will be something I do next year. So 2 chances. You can copy me automatically with cryptocurrency trades, and then with pocket option. So with that, have an amazing day.